Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 gases with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Now, here we go. Number 1. Carbon dioxide. C A R B O N carbon. D I di. O X I D E oxide, carbon dioxide. Number 2. Oxygen. O X Y G E N oxygen. Number 3. Hydrogen. H Y D R O G E N hydrogen. Number 4. Ozone. O Z O N E ozone. Number 5. Propane. P R O P A N E propane. Number 6. Neon. N E O N neon. Number 7. Helium. H E L I U M helium. Number 8. Nitrogen. N I T R O G E N nitrogen. Number 9. Water vapor. W A P E R water